how to simulate this slider crank mechanism. I've shown that this is the just or pulley. When the pulley is rotated with a full circle and the crank mechanism rotates just what we call it the up and down or forward and reverse. Just we goes to the start and digital mockup. Under digital mockup, DMU kinematics. On the DMU kinematics, just the first thing, the slider crank mechanism consists of the 3 revolute joints and 1 prismatic joint. So first of all, I would like to go to the what we call it mechanism and create joint creation and new mechanism. After new mechanism, what is the fixed part? This is the fixed part. Then okay, this is the fixed part. This is the fixed part. Is this? Insert the revolute. Or to create this mechanism on the catia V5 software, first of all, identify the fixed part. Fixed mechanism. Okay, this part is fixed. Then we fix this part or the frame part. This part is just shown like in the back or the rear view. All the sections are visible. After we assign the fixed part, let's go to the first joint, what we call the revolute joint. Revolute joint, just sign on this element. Revolute joint on this element, then make it hide between this element, make it visible, and the surface between this and between this, and also null offset. Then okay. The first kinematic pair or prismatic, the first kinematic pair revolute joint is created. Then the second revolute joint is this one. So I create under the revolute joint. I click on revolute joint, then line 1. This is the line 1. Then hide it to make it. This is line 2. Then with this surface. Then unhide and with the surface null offset. Then okay. The third pair is this is the revolute joint, this one. Then under this, so first hide it. This one, then unhide it. Hide this one. Then this one, this surface, and this surface null offset. Okay. Then after we create the 3 revolute joints. Then the remaining is 1 prismatic joint or sliding joint. This and this. Under the 2 conditions, the motion happens between them. This is the tutorial purpose. So let's go to the second joint, what we call it the prismatic joint. Then the prismatic joint is happened between this line and between this face and what we call between this face. Then okay. After we create degree of freedom, then on the first prismatic joint angle driven, then okay. This we think that the mechanism is simulated, so we finish simulating our slider crank mechanism. Then we go to simulation. Under simulation mechanism 1, run it. Then after that, this is it. We select the direction of our motor or our movement. So then okay. After that, mechanism. Okay, just like that. Insert. Then we reduce the speed, just like this, and insert, just like this. For example, we okay, trial this one, and just like this. Then okay, just goes to the mechanism one. Okay, then insert, reduce, then the motion is the one direction.